Today we are doing exercise 15.2. Use isometric dot paper and make an isometric sketch for each of the given shapes. तो इसमें हमें आइसोमेट्रिक पेपर का यूज़ करना है. दिस इज ऑफ ग्रीन कलर, यू कैन सी दैट, एंड द गैप बिटवीन देम इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. So first figure you can see that the base is 6. तो 6 base दिया हुआ है, and we can say this as length or breadth is 2. breadth 2 दी हुई है, and the height is 3. height 3 दी हुई है, means length is 6, breadth is 2 and height is 3. So on this isometric paper we will draw this sketch. Now first of all we will draw its base joining 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this is length. Then we will draw breadth 2. 1, we will join this 1, 2. Then we will draw its height, which is 3. So we will join this 3, 1, then 2, then 3. After that we will join. Now this length, breadth and height is completed. Now we will join this. Now 2 we will join, and then again length we will join this 3. After that 6 points we will join. So these two, and then these 6 points we will join. After that upper 6 points we will join. Now this height we will join. 1, 2 and 3. Now this we will join. After that we will draw this breadth 2 points, and then 6, these we will join. Now this is completed. You can draw this line also. This you can draw. Now this is question number 2. In this you can see that base is 8, and then this is 3, 2. So let's draw the second part. First of all we have drawn a rough diagram, you can see that, using pencil, so that we can draw it properly. First of all base we are required to make, that is 8. So we will join 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now here you can see 8 we have joined. Now these two we will join, 1 and 2. After that these two we will join. So 1 and 2. After that these two we have joined. Now these two, 1, 2. Now these two, so 1 and 2. Now after that there you can see that 3. So 3 we will make here 1, 2 and 3. After that, this 3 we have made. Now this part 2, then this will also be 2, the 1, 2. Then this is this 2 here. Now this is 3, so this is also 3. Now this portion we have drawn. Now this 3 part and this 2 parts. Now this is also 2. So here we will join 2 parts, 1 and 2. Then these 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. And then 1 and 2. So 2 we will draw here, 2. These are 2, so that's why this is also 2. 1, 2. Now this is 3, so we can join this 1, 2, and then you can see that now this part we will draw 1, 2. Then these 2 parts we will draw 1 and 2, because these all are of 2. So this 2 and then here 1 and 2, then 1 and 2, and then this is also 1 and 2, and then this is also 1 and 2, and this is 1 and 2. After that, last line we are going to draw, this is 1 and then 1 and then 2. Now this is completed. Now this is third part of question number 1. In this third part, we have prepared the rough diagram. You can see that. Now, third part, measurement is not given in this question. You can see in the diagram, measurement is not given. So, we are drawing accordingly. Here you can see that this covers only one block. These are covering 2 blocks. This is covering 3 blocks. So here same we have taken. Now first of all this one block. So we will draw this first. 1. After that 1, 2. So here we will draw 2, 1 and 2. Then this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. This line we will join. After that, now this we have prepared. Now here you can see this is a square of 1. So we will join this 1. This is also. Now this we have drawn. Now join this 1 and 1. Then we have joined this 1 also. Now we will draw this 2, 1 and 2. So these are true, 2, 1 and 2. Then Another one is also 2, so this we will also draw 1 and 2. After that, these all are 1, so we will join this 1, 2. Now here also 1. Now this one is completed. You can see that now we are doing fourth part. This is very difficult as compared to first, second and third. Now we will find out how to draw this. Now this is 2. Here you can see this is 2 blocks being covered. Now this is also 2. Then here 3. This is 2. It is written that here 4 blocks. 4 and but drawn like 3. Now written is 4. So here you can count 2 and here you can count. So this is total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And here you can add also 2, 2 and 2, 6. Now on the other side you can see that now we will draw this like, first of all, base we are going to create or we are required to draw, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that, this is 4. So we will draw 4. 4 we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after this line it is joined using 6. So 6 we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, this 2 we will join 1 and 2. Then this 4 we will join, as we have drawn this, we will join this also 1, 2, 3, 4. And then these 2, 1, 2. After that, now this part is completed. Now 2 parts here we will draw. So 1 and 2. And then these also 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. Now this part is completed. Now here you can see 2 parts. So here we will join 2, 1 and 2. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 2. Now here we will join 1 and 2. 1, 2. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now 2 we will join here, 1 2, and then here 4, 1 2 3 4, and 1 and 2. Now 1 2. Now these 4 we are joining, and then these 2 parts. Now this is completed.